Greetings students, beta class 6 to 8th social science. This time you know that there is a project work for your periodic assessment 1 and one video. uh, the first video In the first video we have discussed about the project, how you people have to prepare your project for social science, and our project is do's and don'ts during corona pandemic. So now this is the second part of your project. In this, you people have to make a poster related to the pandemic. So I'm showing you here one some of the posters, or giving you some kind of guidelines that you people can do this work in this way. Firstly, this is a first poster, that is coronavirus COVID-19 precautions. Like see, you people can make it in this way, like catch it. This is a tissue paper. That always carry tissues with you and use them to catch your cough and sneeze, then bin it, because the tissues, it can carry or can carry germs for several hours. So dispose it, or keep it in the bin, and it should be covered. And then you have to wash your hands at least for 20 minutes, or can sanitize your hands. In this way we can kill this virus. So beta, these posters, these are uh, being made in order to spread awareness among the people, that how can we people save ourselves. So it is a social message. Okay, so listen, such kind of words you can write in your poster, like avoid close contact with anyone who has fever and cough. If you have fever, cough, or difficulty breathing, please stay in your cabin, means at your home. Seek medical care as soon as possible, and share your previous travel history with your healthcare providers. This is for the safety of you and your family and the people around you. Second poster, see, it is also very interesting. See here, stop the spread of coronavirus. First, see, wash your hands often with soap and water. This is shown on TV also, that just you have to rub your hands for at least 20 seconds and then wash properly and thoroughly. Then avoid close contact with people who are sick, at least 6 feet distance. See, it is shown here, a very nice way to aware the people. Next is cover your nose and mouth with a mask when around others. So if you are to move out, then you should put on or use this mask. Next, clean and disinfect commonly used surfaces. So this is the use of sanitizers. So how can we remain our surroundings or keep our surroundings germ free? Then don't touch your eyes, nose, and mouth. So this is very important, because the virus, it enters our body through these body parts only. Next is stay home if you are sick. So this is about quarantine, that if some person have some person has some kind of symptoms, then can quarantine himself or herself inside the house, and take medical care if it is required. The next one, yes, we can defeat COVID-19. But in the morning also, I was reading news. Then I found that our recovery rate of India, it is very high. No doubt that a number of people, they are getting infected these days, but the recovery rate, that is also amazing. That most of the people, they recover. Okay, and we are to spread awareness, like we can defeat COVID-19, fight corona. See here also it is shown that somebody, it is punching corona. How we can punch it? Through disinfecting our areas, like sanitizer and then mask. This is a very important message. See, stay home, stay safe, stop COVID-19. How beautifully the child has made it. See, you people have to make your posters in this way. Like, see how I like it very much. The next one, see, COVID-19 do's and don'ts at the workplace. So, this I think you have written or you will write in your poster or your writing part also. This keep minimum 1.5 meters distance. In the first poster we have seen at least 6 feet. Wash your hands with water and soap frequently. Cough and sneeze into your elbow. It is shown in TV also. Use tissues only once and dispose in closed bin. In one of the posters we have seen this. Leave the middle seat free to keep distance. Means if you are out and you need to sit somewhere, so here also while sitting also we have to maintain the gap. Then consider wearing a face mask. So this is very important. We have to consider it very important, wearing a face mask. Do not shake hands and no hugs. Now see, last year also a very beautiful kind of a short clip I have seen that there the whole world is following the Namaste trend, that all the people and the prime ministers, presidents of different countries, they are also giving message to the people to do Namaste, no handshaking. So here again the world is following India, the trend of India, the tradition of India, culture of India. So next one is do not touch mouth, nose, eyes. This we have discussed earlier also. So do not use crowded lips. This is also very important because we are to maintain social distance. Avoid touching office surfaces, very important because the virus can be anywhere. So avoid crowded spaces. Then if ill, stay at home, and along with stay at home, one needs to take medical care also if required, because this can be healed up, this can be treated in time. If somebody has some kind of symptoms, please contact the doctor and take needed help or the medicine or drugs, whatever is required. So this is all which you have to make. So this is a type of example I'm giving you. You people can make any of the posters, any poster of your choice, and can write anything beautiful, whatever you like, but it should be related to the topic. This is all for this poster making, and if you have any doubt, you people can ask me. Okay, so have a great day.